Assalamu alaikum, it's me, Talha, once again welcoming to you to another video. Today we'll be talking about coronavirus. I'm sorry we can't give him lessons today, but today this is a more important topic. So first, there's 7 points I'm going to be telling you today. And the first one I'm going to be starting with the very main one, safety. Safety. So when you're in safety, you have to be safe everywhere. The most safest place to stay is home. Why? Because if you go outside, you bring the more danger for coronavirus. In case you need to go work urgently or you can't work from home. But now in London, there's a system where we have masks. It's same in Bangladesh, just what's happening in your country. But safety matters a lot. Safety matters a lot. So I'm not telling you that you can't go outside. You can go outside, but make sure you do it safely. Don't do it like, you're not gonna even put your mask on, you're just gonna walk. Imagine if someone sneezes at you. That is a chance you can get the virus. That's how most people in this country and Bangladesh and other worldwide countries get it. Okay? Safety. That's your safety. So moving on to number 2, clean. This is very similar to safety. You can compare these two, which making safety equals clean. For being safe, clean equals safety. Okay? Be clean. What people now used to do, they used to just clean to impress their neighbors. There's no reason impressing your neighbors if you can't keep clean yourself. But when you go to the toilet, you come back, you need to wash your hands. Now everyone's saying, wash your hands for 20 seconds. That's what they didn't do before. If they didn't do it before, we wouldn't be in a very bad situation now. But still, brothers and sisters, I request you, please don't do this to impress your neighbors. This is quite showing off. And I'm not saying you're not allowed to keep your place clean as you like it. It's not like that. I said keep your place clean and keep yourself clean. Keep yourself clean as much as you keep your place clean where you live. I'm not saying that where you live you don't need to clean. Because obviously you do. Because then you can get the virus from where you live. Okay? And make sure to not even go outside, okay? Unimportantly, unnecessarily. Just go for basic necessities. That means food or drinks to get them. But don't eat junk food. Now this is what I'm telling you. This is of keeping clean. Eat home food. That's great, okay? Okay, moving on to number 3. The virus itself. Coronavirus has been killing humans second by second. Yesterday, 500 people died in the UK. 500 people died in the UK. Can you believe that just in 24 hours? Just in 24 hours. The death toll is almost over 12,000. Almost over 12,000 people. Over 12,000. But I'm telling you, this virus, it's very easy to catch. It's very easy to catch. You can catch it by urine, from toilets, from people mostly, from your own breath, from your own sneeze. Because when you sneeze, 300 viruses get pushed into the air. That's why it's important to clean your house as well. But if you sneeze and then you're eating and then you eat using the hand you sneezed on, that is very disgusting. That's not keeping clean. That's actually giving a virus a chance to actually try and kill you. So this is very important. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Because from your hands, most of the viruses come from your hands. Because then you touch everything using your hands. Okay? From your hands. So always always keep your hands and your body clean, very clean, and don't touch your face too much. Okay? Moving on to number 4. The hospital. Now everyone knows hospitals are trying their best to stop this virus. I know how it feels. The frontline are helping them so much. We're going to be coming to that in a minute. But I'm focusing on the hospital. They're trying their best. In the UK, you're not going to believe, but the hospital wasn't the safest place to be. It was the most dangerous place in the UK back 200-300 years ago. If you don't know that, and all because of a one girl called Nightingale, which is basically the queen of the NHS. If you don't know that, but I'm not going to go back to history of when this happened, when that happened. I'm going to be telling you what's happening now. So do not try going outside to doing barbecues, going too much apart. I'm not saying you can't do exercise. Of course, I go exercise myself, but don't go unnecessarily anyway. Okay? And always don't go outside that much. Okay? Because if you go outside, people will come near you, and then they will almost accidentally sneeze at you. Well, now people they're buying masks. But imagine someone sneezes at your face. Even, you're not going to believe it, but coronavirus is even with the wind. So do not exercise too long, okay? Because sometimes what happens, you can't block your face. Because if you block your face, you're not going to be able to see. Unless you wear a face mask. But it's still going to go in your eyes. Itchy eyes. And so this is one of the symptoms of coronavirus. Too much sneezing, coughing, and short breath. The short breath comes from the wind. The wind is now sometimes not that healthy now. It's because the coronavirus is now slowly coming into the west coast by the wind. Okay, so don't go outside. Okay, moving on to number 5. The frontline staff. They're working so hard for us. They're working so hard for us to live. And you're not going to believe this either, but they're not even getting food to eat. And if I'm saying the frontline staff is the nurses, the operation doctors themselves, and people when you drive a car and then they come to test you, they're working hard. They're risking their lives just for them, just for you. So I think you should not try to make them struggle for people to live. So don't go outside too much. I'm telling you this over and over again. Don't go outside too much, okay? Moving on to number 6, food. Okay? Do not eat junk so you can eat food. This is one of the main reasons everyone said you can go outside for. But you can't go to the junk food shop. It doesn't matter if they're open. It doesn't matter if they're good, but don't go. You don't know what oil they're using. You don't know. So eat at home. So you can go You can go to a superstore or shop, get it, and then fry. You can at least fry. So if you want chicken and chips, you can just go to the shop, get frozen chicken and frozen chips, go home and then you fry them. This is that simple. There's no reason for you risking your lives. Okay? Moving on to number 7, the final one. Distancing. Social distancing. Social distancing matters because you have to stay away from at least 2 centimeters apart. 2 meters, not centimeters, 2 meters apart. Because if you stay 2 meters apart, then you won't get the virus. There's no chance for you getting the virus. It's about two trolleys, okay? So stay social distancing. Okay, friends. Okay, brothers and sisters, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Inshallah, there will be more to come for coronavirus tips to surviving and tips to stay safe, and more lessons inshallah coming soon. So please subscribe to Shafin's channel if you want more. Please subscribe and hit the notifications button so you never miss an episode. It's me, Talha from England. Assalamu alaikum. See you in another video, inshallah.